2024 is coming to an end, but we can't let it end without giving you guys, alright, a proper drop on how to navigate the airdrops space. So, how do you know which airdrops are legitimate, where to get these airdrops, how to just navigate the airdrop landscape, because people have been making a lot of money from airdrops. And if you have been part of our Telegram community, I've made some good amounts of money from some airdrops, alright. Why we didn't participate in a lot, because most of them turned out to be dust. Some also turned out to be really, really awesome, and lucky for us in our community, most of the airdrops we took part in paid off. So without wasting any more time, let's get right in. So what are airdrops? Airdrops are incentives given by the developers or owners of a project to their community to appreciate their efforts concerning their project or whatsoever they are building. That's what airdrops are, simply put, yeah. And we have different types of these airdrops. We have referral airdrops, we have testnet airdrops, and then we have retroactive drops. So let me break each of these ones down. Referral airdrops, simply put, is where the developers or owners of a project incentivize the participants in their community for referring more people to the project to get acquainted with their project and all of that. So that's what referral airdrops are all about, like these ones you see on Telegram. Yeah, so that's what referral airdrops are. Then we have testnet airdrops. So what are testnet airdrops? Testnet airdrops are airdrops where you participate on the testing phase of a project, so the owners and developers of the project can get better feedback on how people interact with the project and everything. Yeah, so you get incentivized based on carrying out testing on their project. That's why it's called a testnet. So I hope that is good enough. Then we have retroactive drops, and this is where the money is actually made, most of the money, but it actually requires money sometimes, other times it's free. So retroactive drops work in a way whereby you need to spend your money or time or both interacting with the mainnet of a project. So yeah, to do different tasks and all of that. And it can also be like that on a testnet phase too, but it's mostly mainnet. So you're going to interact and do a lot of swapping, trading, just utilizing the products of the project. All right, that's what you're going to be doing. It can be staking, trading, whatsoever task they give to you to do. So you're just going to have to do those tasks. Sometimes you spend money, other times you don't spend money, and then you get rewarded. So these are just the different type of airdrops. Okay, how do you know an airdrop is legitimate or it's rubbish? First and foremost, these Telegram apps you are seeing, if you are required to pay for anything at all, anything you're required to pay, not that you are using your money to interact with anybody, they just want you to pay the money to get your airdrop. I can assure you the developers of whatsoever that is just want to make money. That is one. Two, they don't have enough backing. The project doesn't have enough backing. They don't have a lot of money, liquidity into the project and all of that. That could also be a red flag. All right, that could also be a red flag that you won't make as much money from this airdrop. Okay. Then the last but not the least, they keep postponing their listing dates, their token generation events. They keep postponing and postponing and postponing, and the community is losing interest and everything. That is also a sign that this airdrop is not going to cook. So don't go and participate in every airdrop you see. Just do your research and have criteria by which you participate in airdrops. And if I should give us some criteria, the community needs to be engaged actively. All right, they need good enough backing. They should have raised enough money, and they should not request for money from you, like you are not to pay to receive your airdrop or do this or no. There is how things have to be done. Airdrops are supposed to be free. even if all are not free. But basically, what you should get in return from an airdrop should be more than what you put in. All right. So with airdrops, Dust and USDT, they have the same letters to spell, and depending on the airdrop you participate in, that's what will determine if you will get Dust or USDT. So with that being said, guys, this is all I have to say for the criteria concerning airdrops. Then where can you get these airdrops to participate in? There are a lot of places you can get. You can scout Twitter. There are so many with guides and everything, and you can also join our Telegram channel where we give you guys good alpha. So with that being said, guys, we're ending the video here. Hope you liked this video. Hope you found value in this video. Do well to join our Telegram channel while it is still free. And with that being said, guys, see you in the next